Officially, Republic of Korea is a country included in the G20. Archaeologists found out that Korea was made in 2333 BC. Its land covers 99,392 square kilometers and has a population of about 50 million people. Korea's biggest airport is the Incheon Airport, which carries 30 million people per year. A history. Korea is a place they opened the G20 and once opened the Olympic Games, the World Cup. Korea also held the Asian Summer Games, Asia Winter Games, and more. Sports. The art of Taekwondo was included in the Olympics from the year of 2000. According to the research, soccer was ranked first and baseball was ranked second. Cuisine. Korean cuisine has changed through time, but Korean cuisine is based on rice, noodles, tofu, vegetables, fish, and meat. Kimchi is known to be served at every table. Education. Education in Korea is regarded as a must or crucial to one's success. In the 2006 results of the OECD program for international student assessment, South Korea came first in problem solving, third in mathematics, and 11th in science. It is said that every Korean school will have a digital notebook by the year of 2013. Korean. The Korean alphabet is created by King Sejong because he thought the people needed a language that is easy to use. Nowadays, people from other countries also want to speak Korean. Economics. South Korea has a market economy which is ranked 15th in the world, identified as one of the G20's major economies. South Korea is one of the Asian tigers and in the group of next 11 countries. South Korea is one of the developed countries along with Hong Kong, Singapore, and Taiwan. South Korea is the 8th largest exporter and 10th largest importer. Epilogue. I wrote this PowerPoint by thinking that I was introducing our country to a friend who is from another country.